we have another 1.5 ton compressor leakage. We need to replace with the new one. This is 1.5 ton. Changing new compressor had leakage. The compressor had leak. We removed the old one, the leak area. It was damaged plug. Leaking. This 1.5 tonnage compressor R22. We will put a new one, 1.5 tonnage. The process of installation. Changing compressor done. Right now we need to check the leak. So what we do, we check with nitrogen. We put some nitrogen on the system. We check. Right now is not any nitrogen system, so I will put some nitrogen. I put a 75 psi nitrogen, so after 20 minutes I will check if this go down, so there is leak somewhere. If not, it's okay, our job. After installing new compressor, we put the nitrogen. After it's supposed to put 50 minutes or 20 minutes, I put it 30 minutes or long times to make sure it's no leak. So everything is looking good. Right now we need to remove the nitrogen and putting after installing new compressor, making sure there is no leak, we put in the freon. Instead of 122, we have 422B. So this is the room. Temperature is 95 at the front, 100 suction line is 47. 47, 47.